everyone. I'm Anita. I'm a holistic nutritionist, a health and wellness coach. I help busy people make lifestyle modifications for a healthier living. So, today I'm going to be speaking about something called the lung cleanser. Now, since the lockdown has kind of relaxed and many people have started going out, this is probably the time wherein we come across a lot of infections because of our exposure towards external environment. We have been in a closed environment for a very long time, because of which our immune system might have sort of come down in its ability to fight infection, since we have stayed indoors mostly. So today, the lung cleanser that usually is being taught is the pranayam techniques, but this is a food based lung cleanser which can help purify your lungs as well as your blood. So it's a very simple thing. You can make and store it for up to 10 days in the refrigerator and consume on an everyday basis. What are the ingredients that are required for it? The first is a liter of water, then about one chopped onion, about 2 to 3 pods of chopped garlic, about 20 grams of ginger again chopped, and pepper about crushed, about 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of it, and about a tablespoon of turmeric, or you can also take turmeric roots about 2 inches, grate them and use whichever is available to you. You can use that. So you take a pot of take 1 liter of water in a pot. Once it starts boiling, add all these ingredients into it except the turmeric powder. In case you're using the powdered form of turmeric, don't add to it at that point in time. But apart from that, the rest of the ingredients you add it and let it boil like at least for 15 to 20 minutes nicely. So all the essence of the ingredients will start seeping into the liquid, and it will form a light brownish color kind of a decoction. Okay, so once this is formed, switch off the gas and let it cool down for some time. And when it's like slightly warm, you can add the turmeric powder, and then close it and keep it for some time. And then once it cools down completely, you can add honey if you want. Otherwise, you can just consume this liquid without honey also. Okay, so make this liquid, store it in a glass or a steel bottle. Do not store it in a plastic container, because plastic is reactive towards spices and herbs, and it starts leaching into the liquid or the material that we are storing. So it's always better that you store things in glass or metal containers, like steel especially, not aluminium or anything else. Steel containers which are non-reactive in nature. So close it tightly. Take 2 tablespoon of this in the morning when you wake up on empty stomach, and 2 tablespoon of this before you have your dinner. Say at least 30 minutes before you have your dinner, you can consume this liquid. Then this is for adults. If you have children at home, it can be given to them. You need to add a little bit of honey for the children, because they might not really like the different herb taste in it. So you might have to add a little bit of sweetener in forms of organic honey into it, and then give it to them. In children, the quantity would be 1 tablespoon each. That is a maximum of 2 tablespoons a day. If your children are in the age group of say 7 to 15 or 16. If you have children younger than that, then you can give 1 teaspoon of this. That should be more than enough, because their immune system will react much faster compared to us. They are in the growing phase of life. So eating good food along with this will really help them cleanse their lungs, in case you're going out on an everyday basis, meeting other children, etc. So I hope this tip really helps you, and you can make this and store it and start using it from today. If you like what I say about my remedies and things, then please do like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for all the love and support. We'll see you with a new set of remedies tomorrow. Thank